Hi everyone, this is Kijibo Vlog, si Filipino actor based here in Saudi Arabia, and welcome back to my channel. For today's video, agad-agad gawa natin ito ng reaction video, ang Barda compilation. So yeah, excited ako mapanood kung ano ang mga chismis dito. Baka naman may mga kung ano-anong balita tayong masagap dito. But teka lang, si David na sa abroad, no? And ano pa nga yung ichichika ko? Kahapon, nanood ako ng podcast ng yung Triggered, though hindi ko siya natapos gawa ng reaction video kasi gumagawa din ako ng reaction video ng isa pa, what do you call this, finale ng Encantadia. Pero itatry ko na gawa ng reaction video yon ang ibang parts. And yeah, so I won't take any longer. I'm really excited to watch this one. Ano kayong mga chismis dito? 'Di ba? So, without further ado, wait lang, bakit ang dilim ng camera ko? Uy, Ma'am Divine! Wait lang, shout out pala kay Ma'am Divine, kay Ma'am Grace. Ayan, may mga paano sila, may mga pachicha sila for today's video. Maraming salamat, Ma'am Divine and Ma'am Grace, sa pachicha ninyo. And of course, Ma'am Barda United, thank you so much. Sino pa? Si Madam Pickles, Madam Pikwa, thank you so much for the support. Mami Anita, Ma'am Liveriza, Ma'am Jacqueline for today's video. Mega love shout out sa inyo. So hindi ko na ito papatagalin pa, hindi na ako magpapatumpik-tumpik pa. Without further ado, let's start this. Ano to? You kept on we so proud of you. Actually, I couldn't agree more. Ang layo na din talaga. Pero malayo pa. Di ba? Malayo na, pero malayo pa for today's video. Ganon ang atake. Chares Pempenko na tumba patis na ngayon for today's video. Tama ba yun? Tumba patis? Charis. KJ, bakit ang saya-saya mo? Bawal? Charis. Bawal ba, ma'am? Grabe, no? Alam mo, basta, ano ka talaga, basta humble ka talaga. And ang humility nakatatak na talaga sa utak mo, magiging blessed ka talaga eh. And of course, aside from that, dapat mahalin mo din talaga ang, recipe yan eh. Humble ka, kind ka, and mahalin mo yung family mo, lalong-lalo na yung parents mo. You will be blessed. Diba?
Ang napanood ko pong eksena ay ang very iconic, one of the many iconic scenes of our megastar. I was never your partner, I'm just
Wow.
And as young as 8 years old, because of that scene, I was very firm with my decision that I wanted to become an actress.
Wow, talaga? So ano pala talaga?
Sabi mo totoo talaga yung kilig with David.
Oh my God. Wait.
So sabi mo totoo talaga yung kilig with David.
Nasa BFF talaga ang tunay na susi. Charis. Totoo yan. I couldn't agree more. Uy, si Binibining Anonymous, alam nyo, may mga chumichismis si Binibining Anonymous daw at si Jim Panot ay isa. Hindi, ma'am. Diyos ko. Sobrang layo. Sa edit pa lang. Charis.
Konting kwento lamang po.
Ito na.
Ako po ay 8 years old. Nakita ko po nanonood ang nanay ko ng madrasa.
Madrasa.
Ang napanood ko pong eksena ay ang very iconic, one of the many iconic scenes of our megastar. I was never your partner, I'm just And as young as 8 years old, because of that scene, I was very firm with my decision that I wanted to become an actress.
Wow! Sweet talaga si Shawi, no? Ay, wait lang, what is this? Sino ang bet mo sa kanilang tatlo? Oh my God, so, dalawa lang yung bet ko dyan. Chares!
I am more proud to say that this
Wait, Barbie Vitrecia proud sa acting ensemble na itatampok sa Honor Thy Mother. Alam mo, feeling ko heavy
and
drama
I
talaga.
think mas yun yung pangahawakan namin lahat as a cast na hindi siya showdown kasi the storytelling and the project will work better if you guys work together. That's right. Diba? Hindi yung magpapatalugan, ganyan.
Oo.
Pinig-baby mo, pinig-baby ka.
Ay, baby ako. Ay, baby ako. Diyan talaga. Baby siya eh. Baby talaga siya. Big baby boy talaga siya actually. Wala na. So, saan dalahin? Di ba? Big baby kasi talaga siya, man. Ay. Oh. Baby talaga siya. Cute baby boy. Kaya nga sabi ko sa inyo, hello, baby talaga si ano, no? Baby talaga si, what do you call this, si David. Wala na. Saan dalahin? Charik! Saan dalahin? Okay. Ay, to.
Parehas siyang complex, parehas siyang
Versatile talaga si Barbie.
challenging.
Nabanggit niya pa si David.
Both, bida and
Totoo,
kontrabida.
nakahapon, nakita ko to,
Pero
ma'am.
recently ko lang kasi na-experience maging kontrabida and I really enjoyed it.
Interesting.
Yes, oo.
Napanood
kasi-
kayo yung Kontrabida Academy?
Oo, yan, Kontrabida Academy. And ano din, nagkaroon din ako nag-guest ako sa show ni Miss Julie Ann San Jose tsaka ni David, yung Heartful Cafe dati. Kontrabida din ako doon. Na-enjoy ko din yun. Direct Mark de la Cruz yun.
Direct
Sobrang
Mark de la
na-enjoy ko
Cruz.
siya. Maybe because it's something new for me. So parang hindi siya pamilyar sa akin, hindi ako sanay. So nung na-try ko, na-enjoy ko siya. Di ba like, kunyari pag may cake or may bagong pagkain na na-try natin, excited tayo palagi. Kasi hindi pa natin alam yung experience nun eh.
Alam mo,
So feeling ko
malalaman mo
yun, doon
talaga na
nagagaling
pag
yung
magsalita siya,
adrenaline and
very,
yung
genuine, very spontaneous
happiness
siya
ko when I
magsalita,
portray
ma'am.
medyo mga mas complex
Softer.
na character.
Tuloy-tuloy siya magsalita. Walang palya. Sa totoo lang. Ay, Barbie pang very much siya. Ay. Ganda ni Barbie. Shocks. Yan. Fangirling talaga siya. She's so pretty talaga. Cutie niya, no? Deserve niya talagang sumikat din. Ay, ito na.
Sa kauna-unahang pagkakataon ay nagsama sa isang proyekto sina megastar Sharon Cuneta at kapuso primetime princess Barbie Fortesa.
Oo.
Para yan sa collab ng GMA Network at ABS-CBN Studios na Honor Thy Mother.
Honor Thy
tamang
Mother.
dramang ipoproduce ng Dreamscape Entertainment.
Dreamscape
Kwento
pala
pa lang,
siya.
na-excite na si Ate Shawi.
Hindi pala kasama yung
Parang
ano.
mga bagong makakatrabaho.
I got excited. But first, it was really the story that was presented to me, and it was over Zoom. So meeting, they were all in the conference room, and there was a presentation, like slides in it. So I was so impressed. I liked the story. Tapos nalaman ko si Barbie.
Oo.
What an opportunity! I have to say also, di ba ABS-CBN, GMA7, Dreamscape. So it's really a big project. I'm very proud to be a part of.
Dream come true naman ito para kay Barbie, hindi lang dahil sa emotionally challenging role, kundi dahil si Sharon ang isaan niya sa mga dahilan kung bakit siya nag-artista. At ngayon ay abot kamay na niya ang megastar.
Kaya nako, learn from me, dream big kasi mangyayari at mangyayari yan basta pursigido ka. The story will revolve around our dynamics as mother and daughter, but this is your not typical mother-daughter story kasi hindi kami magkasundo. So there will be a lot of
This is the story.
drama, lot
Oh,
of,
heavy drama. I love it.
hatred.
Oh, I love it.
Pain.
Hala.
Makakasama rin nila sina John Estrada, Tonton Gutierrez, Mercedes Cabral, RK Bagatching, Khalil Ramos at marami pang iba.
It still is very surreal to me. Unang-una, it's been 3 years since my last, series that I really worked on. And to be here with such a powerhouse cast, some of the actors that I just really look up to throughout my entire career. And finally here, being able to work with them.
Okay. Anyways, that is it for today's video. This is Kiko Vlogs and see you on my next vlog. Bye.